Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a public list on Google Maps. So, the easiest way to do this I found is using the Google Maps app. So, let's open up the Google Maps app and let's select a location where we want to create a list for. So let's just zoom in here and just create a list in this location. What you want to do is just scroll across the top here until you see save. Then you want to press save. And as we want to create a list, we'll select new list here at the very top. We can name the list. You want to name this if you want other people to find it, something very descriptive. We'll just put test for now. Then you want to describe it with a description. Now, if you want others to find it, you want it shared here at the bottom. Now, everyone will be able to find this list. Then you can press create in the top right hand corner and you'll have created a public list on Google Maps. So that's how to create a public list on Google Maps app. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.